Hi, this is Paul. We're doing Leetcode must-know interview questions. Today's challenge: find the index of the first occurrence in a string. Rating: easy. Given two strings, needle and haystack, return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack, or -1 if needle is not part of haystack. What are the topics on this? 2 pointers. String matching. I don't see this as a 2 pointers problem. In fact, I think we did a problem last week where I said that this is probably the easiest Leetcode challenge I've ever seen, and I have to revise my opinion on this because this is the easiest Leetcode challenge I've ever seen. I mean, there may be a programming language in which this is at least moderately challenging, but I've been doing them all in Java, and Java has a built-in method that does this. Returns the first index or -1 if it's not there. So you can just say return, let's see, haystack dot index of needle, and that's it. So let's run it. Is it running? What happened? Oh, there it is. Okay, accepted. And then submit. Oh gosh, where are we at here? Beats 100%. Okay. So really, everybody either did it in 0 milliseconds, rounded, I suppose, or 1. It's not like there's a big standard deviation on the runtimes. Is this just for Java? I don't know, but that's the memory. I'm sorry. No, that's the runtime. What's the memory look like? There's a little more spread out of the memory. But anyway, this is well, I mean, that's it. I can't think of anything else to say about it. Maybe we can spend some more time together next time. But that's it for this one. Feel free to like, subscribe, and see you next time.